Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Becoming Her diary. This is a diary that I decided to document of me just exploring myself, working on my healing and traumas, and just becoming the best version of myself. So in the last video, I talked about solo dates and the benefits of going on solo dates. In this video, while I do my makeup, I wanted to talk about embracing my dark femininity. I think a lot of times when we talk about femininity, we tend to think of the light feminine energy. That's usually softer, lighter, more delicate. It's seen as like that's the good femininity. But the dark femininity is seen as the bad femininity. It's the one that has more strength, more power, more mystery. I come to realize you need to have both light and dark feminine energy to really balance out yourself as a woman. And for me, I didn't really embrace it, and now I'm starting to embrace it a little bit more. One of the reasons is that I realize there's a time and place when you need to bring that out. One way that I've realized that is really by setting boundaries. Your dark femininity is the one that's going to stand up for yourself. You're not going to let people cross those boundaries. You're going to be pretty firm. And so I've been really embracing that part of myself, and I started reading the book Boundaries. I forget by who, I'll have it linked below. And I've really just been learning more and trying to figure out how to cultivate that side of me and how to bring that out and balance myself as a woman. Some of the things that I've realized is that there's a lot more strength that comes into embracing your dark femininity because you're speaking up for yourself. You're kind of unapologetically being your authentic self. And I think that's a great strength in embracing the dark feminine side. The other thing is that there's like this undeniable sense of power that you tap into when you embrace that part of you. And of course, there's the art of seduction. It's more seducing, but for me, I think I have that down. It's more the other ones I need to work on. So in conclusion, I just wanted to kind of have a little head talk and talk about what I'm doing to embrace my dark femininity and just how I'm working on becoming her. And so this is today's topic. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk, but let's get back with the vlog. Okay, so I just steamed my dress that I'll be wearing today. It's a new dress I got from Zara. It's an all black dress, but it's really cute because it has some cutouts. And I just love a classic that's little black. Well, it's not really little because it's a maxi dress, but I love maxi dresses in the summer. And I just love an all black, and I'm really sticking with my neutrals this time because I did a complete closet edit and got rid of a lot of things that just weren't true to my style. And things that I just felt like I was just being influenced by. So I still want to go through my closet again and go and do that again because I have a lot of clothes. I've accumulated a lot of clothes. So yeah, but I just finished doing my hair makeup. This is probably one of my favorite looks. I've been rocking a red lip a lot lately, but I just tried the L'Oreal because they sent me this in a PR package. So this is Les Rouges Avant-Garde. Yeah, Les Rouges Avant-Garde. So this is the number 203. It's a beautiful red lip, and all I did was just use my House Labs by Lady Gaga to line the lip, and then I use that on the inside. So it's a gorgeous matte lip, and I think it looks really nice on my skin tone. Granted, I feel like the color looks a little different on camera, but I think it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go put my dress on. I already put body wash, body lotion, and all that good stuff. I do need to put some deodorant, and then I'll share my outfit fragrance and everything for today. Then we're gonna head out. I'm gonna go to Zara, return a few things. Then we're gonna do some shopping today. I don't know, I kind of want to go to Saks as well. I don't know, but I just want to do some shopping today. So we're gonna do some shopping. We're gonna, so like, this whole solo date for me is more just kind of pouring into myself again. And one of my love languages, my primary love language, is receiving thoughtful gifts, receiving gifts. So I'm going to be showing myself that love today. And I'm excited. And I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I give myself a whole pampering treatment today. I didn't show you guys like my whole shower routine. I just really am just giving back to myself. So maybe in my next solo date vlog, I will share my shower routine. But let's get dressed and let's go pour into ourselves. Sounds weird, but I think you guys get what I'm saying. Okay, so I just arrived to the parking garage for Eunice. I've only been here once and it was a long time ago. So I decided to come back again because I was craving some shrimp and grits, but I didn't want to make it. So I'm gonna have their shrimp and grits and maybe some champagne first before I head there. I'm just gonna take a picture of my outfit in the garage somewhere just because I'm trying to post more photos, and I did record a get ready with me or get dressed with me for Instagram, so I just want to cover a photo. I'm just gonna take it on my phone and with using this tripod, the one that extends and it has the remote. I'm just gonna use that because I don't really want to do anything too fancy. All right, let's go take a couple pics, and then, oh shoot, I forgot my mini tripod. Actually, I have a backup, but this one's too big. I have a smaller tripod, but I forgot it for the camera, so I'm just gonna take this one. I just don't like super big tripods, but I forgot the other one. All right, let's do this, and then let's go get some food and some champagne. This is all a mess. I should just do it from the other side. Where's the light even coming from? Because I want to get the optimal lighting. I feel like I need to do like there maybe. Do you have a name for it?
You can call it under your name.
Huh?
You can call it under your name.
Syndie?
What's the name for it?
The Syndie.
Out on the here, the magnolia.
Hey guys, so I am headed home. I know I wanted to go shopping today, but I did actually just go to Zara. I returned 3 items that I got from Zara because it didn't fit well, and the material was very cheap. So I returned those 3 items, and I was gonna go to Target and like do some shopping and everything, but I wanted to go to Saks because I wanted to get something from my wish list that I've had for a long time. It's a timeless piece. So I wanted to go to Saks to go get it off my wish list, but it didn't happen. But I will vlog the next time it happens.